Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix canonical tag in Shopify issue. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's going to be a few things that you can check here to see if it's going to actually solve your problem. Now, one of those things is you might need to check your recently installed apps. Now, sometimes recently installed apps can actually affect the code for your website, and basically uninstalling and looking for a different app for you to use on your website can sometimes help with this issue. Now, in this case, it is recommended that if you're, for example, if you install a recent app here, consider actually uninstalling that app and check if that solves the issue. Now, typically, you just need to go to your settings here, go to apps and sales channel, look for the app that you just recently installed, and typically you should see an option here that says uninstall. So go ahead and just click on uninstall for you to uninstall that specific app, and from then on check if that solves the issue. Now, in this case, if the app itself is not a problem, then most likely the problem is in your team's code. Now, typically, what you need to do is you just need to access that. So go to online store, go to teams, click on the three dot icon here next to customize, and you should see an option here that says edit code. Now, under edit code, what you need to do is you need to look for a specific file here, which is usually under the product-thumbnail.liquid section. You can utilize the filter files here, which in this case, you just type in product, and you should be able to see a section under snippets here that says product thumbnail liquid. Now, in this case, in this file here, what you're going to look for is going to be a section that says within colon collection. So typically, again, you could just select on the file itself, just click on your keyboard, Control F, so you should be able to search for those sections. So what I like to do is you just type in within here, just click on all, and you should be able to see all of the section here that has that specific word here. As you can see, we only have one section here that says within. So as you can see, I don't have that problem here. So typically, it's going to look similar to this one. So just for testing purposes and for viewing here, this is what's going to look like. So in this case, what you need to do is you just need to delete that section from your file here. In this case, once you've deleted that, make sure to save your changes here by clicking on save at the top right here, and that should solve your issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.